everyone, welcome to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to update Genie application from your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to update your Genie application to the latest version, then the process is quite simple. Simply tap open your Play Store and go to the search box at the top. Type in Genie in the search box. And once you perform your search, you'll be able to see an update button right next to Genie application if you are to download an update for your application. An update comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement, so you'll need to update your application now and then to get the best out of the app. Tap the update button right next to the application and wait until the application gets updated, which is a quick process if you have a stable internet connection. Once the update is completed, wait until the app gets installed on your Android phone. You'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app, which means the application has been successfully updated to the latest version. Simply tap on open in order to open the application, and that's how you can easily update Genie application for your Android device. Log into your account or register for a new account by choosing the register button, and that is it. I hope you learned how to update your Genie application to the latest version on your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.